East Africa Pamoja bid holding the three founding nations of East Africa is a timely initiative for fostering and widening East Africa integration for a common market in the future, but we also welcome it because it gives an opportunity to our young people to get to know each other and to do things together.
Wherever I am, I do sports. But sports must be part of a totality, not just isolated. Especially the spectators. When you come to spectate, what have you done before you came? Because the other one is like a misuse, a manipulation. They swell the crowds, they go back to...
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.